Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set preferred item slots in Fortnite. Let's get started. First, launch Fortnite OG and enter any game or lobby screen. Press Escape on PC or Menu button on console. Then click on Settings represented by the gear icon. Next, navigate to the Game tab. It's one with the controller and gear symbol. Scroll down to Combat and find Preferred Item Slots, and click Configure. Here you'll see slots labeled 1 through 5. To assign a preferred slot, highlight one and cycle through the different option for which item you want in that slot. Repeat this for each weapon or item. For example, choose your shotgun, assault rifle, and medkits in whatever order works best for you. And to clear or reassign a slot, simply cycle through the slot again until it's empty, or assign a new item. And that's it. Your inventory is now custom set for smoother gameplay and faster swap. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.